In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move projects from Figma to Penpot. We'll start in Figma on the Recents page, where you can quickly find the file you want to transfer. Once you're there, open your project so you're inside the design file you want to move over. This is the file we'll prepare for export. Next, look for the Resources icon, the one that looks like a set of blocks. Click that, then choose Manage Plugins. This is where Figma lets you search for and launch tools that extend what the platform can do. In the plugin search, type Penpot Exporter. When it appears, click Run. At this point, a pop-up will guide you through the export process. Just follow the prompts on screen to continue exporting your project. Take your time here and make sure the export completes properly, because this file is what you'll bring into Penpot in the next part. Once your export is ready, switch over to your Penpot dashboard. From there, find the three-dot menu and click it to open more options. In that menu, choose Import Penpot Files. When your file picker opens, select the Penpot file you just exported from Figma. After selecting the file, click Continue. This moves you into the final part of the import process, where Penpot confirms the file and prepares it for use in your workspace. Then click Accept to finish the import. And that's it. Your Figma project has now been moved into Penpot. If anything looks slightly different after import, that can happen depending on how the original file was built, so it's a good idea to do a quick review once the file opens. But overall, this process gives you a simple way to transfer your work from one platform to the other with just a few clicks.